Hey, when I was going in this video, I'm sure to go into incognito mode on Safari for your phone, also known as private browsing. So first of all, go into the Safari app, which looks like the compass, which I have on my home tab on the phone. So anyways, click on Safari, and I'm already on Amazon. I just had that open from before. I was just shopping. So anyways, let's go ahead and click on the multi-tab, which is the bottom right button. And then you're going to see all your tabs here. Now you want to go ahead and see the two tabs. You go over to the left side and you're going to see private. So you're going to see the private word. So click on that. It's going to say private browsing. So all you got to do here is press the plus button on the bottom left area. So there's a plus button there. Go ahead and just click on that. You're going to be opening a private tab. So now you're in private browsing. So like I said, private browsing for Safari is basically it's just like an incognito mode for Google Chrome. And there is a iCloud private relay, which basically this is offered to you if you have an iCloud Plus subscription. It includes private relay, which is an internet privacy service that prevents websites and network operators from trying to create a profile off of your identity and browsing history over time. So this basically can protect you when you're private browsing on Safari. So if you're offered this, I would definitely go ahead and turn this on. So you just press the blue button here, turn on private relay. If you have this offered to you, this is an awesome service that you can use to protect your account and everything while you're using browsing, private browsing on Safari. So that's basically how you get in the incognito mode, private browsing on Safari for your phone and using private relay. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.